Alright guys, today we're going to be unboxing the OBSBOT 4K Tiny Lite 3. This thing is pretty sick. It's got AI tracking, so it'll follow me as I move around, etc, etc. It also has like voice commands, things like that. Sorry if the mic's shaking or the camera's shaking. I have it strapped to my chest. So yeah, and I sprained my back today, so that was pretty unfortunate. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing this today. These things go for $150 to $300. I got it on the low end on Marketplace for $140. I made some other plays on Marketplace, so it kind of played for itself, so that was pretty cool. So we're going to unbox that, see what everything comes with, and yeah, let's get it. Don't have my knife right now, so we're going to use a screwdriver. And I'm looking through my camera lens, so forgive me. Oh, crap, scratched the shit out of that box. There we go. If I can get it. Come on. Oh, I might just been better off just peeling it. Yeah, would have been better off peeling it. That's unsatisfying. Oh well. We don't need the box anyway. Tiny Titan. I'm sure it's just like manuals and stuff in here. Yep, user manuals. We don't need that. We're real men. We'll figure it out. So it's brand new, never used, still has the wrap and stuff on it. For $150, that's not bad. As you could see, you could already see it's kind of moving around. It's not tracking me right now, but it has the movement sensors or AI tracking, so it can track me almost 360 degrees. I won't be standing up too much, but this will help me with my webcams, so it looks better quality, so it's not 1080p. This is the webcam I'm using right now. So we're going to change that for this one. And then also for my VTubing, it'll help track my face way better. So that's pretty cool. So let's get out this box. How do we open this one? Is it from right here? Or is it from the sides? Oh, yep, it's from the sides. That's misleading. I guess that tab is just to pull it out. So what's in here? I'm sure it's all the cables and stuff. Let's move this out of the way. Packaging. See, everything's brand new, fresh. So for $140, that's not bad at all. You guys should consider this mic or this camera if you're looking for a better camera. This is a 4K camera, so you could plug it in or Bluetooth it, I guess. Oh, no. So this is a USB-C converter. Thought it was a Bluetooth dongle, but it's a USB-C converter. So if you don't have a USB-C port on your PC, plug this into here, then plug that into your PC, you're good to go. So yeah, we're going to set that up, and then I'm going to show you guys that. All right, so there it is right there. As you can see, I got my Steam Deck and my SteelSeries mixer, or whatever that's called. We're going to plug it in. Probably won't stay right here, but we'll see. Okay, yeah, so you can see, yep, it's already moving around. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Let's go ahead and log into my computer real fast. Okay, so it doesn't work just plugging it in fresh out the box, so we're gonna need to configure some stuff with that. Or is it this screen? Ah, it's the screen. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. Boom, that quality is amazing. And does it follow me? Okay, so I figured out a pretty cool feature. If I want it to follow me, I put my hand up like this. He's not gonna follow me, as you can see. It's just centered. But if I put my hand up like this again, you see the flashing? Now he's gonna follow me. But if you guys want me to show you a later video, how to work it and everything, don't mind me. I'm in a robe. It is 5:27 a.m. right now. I was not feeling good, so I slept most of the day, but I woke up right now and I was like, you know what, let's unbox this thing, check it out. So yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, slam those notification bells. It's your host, Tears Crucible, with the Pantheon's Crucible. Y'all, if you want to join for giveaways, we give away things like PCs, games, accessories, all that good stuff. Make sure you join the Discord. I'm out of here, man. Peace.